How to use split bill in Google Pay. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just get started with the video. So you can basically go ahead and access your Google Pay on your particular device, log in into your account and set it up. After you do so, there are two ways in order to do so. You can split a bill and create a new group or split a bill with an existing group. For a for creating a new group, you can open up the app and tap on See Transaction History and tap on the payment you want to split and enter the total amount of the bill and enter name for the bill. Once that is done, you can select the members from the group to split and tap on Send Request. Or in order to split a bill with an existing group, you can open up the app, tap on the existing group chat, and tap on Split and Expense. After that, enter the total amount and enter the name for the bill, and you can select the members. After that, tap on Send Request, and that should help you. And that is it. So these are the way you can do in order to split the bill in Google Pay. So give it a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more tips and tutorials.